How to find your saved password in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu, click on the search option. Now you simply need to search for Credential Manager. Simply type Credential Manager and click on Open on the application. Once you open this, you will see two options here, Web Credential and Windows Credential. So the web credentials are the passwords that you have saved in your web browsers. So when you click on it, you can simply see the list of the password that you have saved in your browsers. In Windows Credential, you can simply see the application's password. So simply click on any one of it and from there you can access your saved passwords. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.